Good morning. This morning we are going to, or actually Mike is, he's going to show you how to make pickles. We're doing it just a wee bit different because I am now low carb. And so we're going to try using, instead of the regular sugar, we're going to try using this monk fruit sweetener. I picked mine up at TJ Maxx for $7.99. It is kind of pricey, and he's going to show you how he makes pickles, and we'll see how they turn out with the monk fruit instead of regular sugar.
So we're just making sweet pickles. We're not making pickles from scratch. This is what her grandmother used to make for sweet pickles. You just take kosher dills. We'll take 2 cups of sugar. We're trying monk fruit this time. All of it.
No sweetener in my tea now. I have
And
others.
1 cup of apple cider vinegar. And we will turn this on and bring it to a little boil. In the meantime, we will take our pickles and drain them. Ready? Alright, so we take our drained pickles. And we just slice them. Let's take them back in the jar.
I paused it.
And we'll just wait for this to come to a boil. Then we let it boil for 1 minute. It'll be clear again, you won't be able to see any of the sugar.
I wanted to show you a close-up of the bag that I found. This is the monk fruit sweetener. Measures just like sugar and tastes like sugar. And actually, to be honest, it is very sweet. I put it in my coffee the other day and woo-wee, it was sweet. So you don't need that much. But this is the nutrition facts on it. So for 1 teaspoon, it's 5 total carbs and 1 fiber, so 4 net. And if you want to read about the monk fruit, that's what it looks like. But this says it's compared at $10. You know, that's TJ Maxx, so take that however literal you want to, but sometimes they're off a little bit, I think. But $7.99, and I don't know if I'm going to be going back to Target or TJ Maxx anytime soon, so I might have to order it off of Thrive Market.
So it just came to a boil, so we're going to let it boil for 1 minute. Alright, so it's boiled for 1 minute. We're removing it from the heat. As you can see, it just looks like apple cider vinegar. Doesn't look like there's anything in it. But now we just pour it back over the pickles. top on it. it will reseal as it cools, like your canning, like a canning jar would. So once it cools, it'll be ready to go.
Have it, ladies and gentlemen. We hopefully are having a lower carb version of a sweet pickle. We'll see how they are. How long do we have to leave them, Mike?
Till they cool.
Just till they cool?
And then we'll put them in the fridge and get them good and cold, and that's when we'll eat them.
All right, so probably tomorrow or maybe later tonight.
Probably tonight with dinner.
Tonight with dinner, he says we can try them.